Yes student, देखो how can we apply this structure in the question. Suppose you want to find cos 120 degree. Suppose you want to find cos 120 degree. How can you find the value of cos 120 degree? Using this diagram, very important this diagram. Again, देखो first quadrant all t ratios positive, second quadrant sin cos sec positive, third quadrant tan cot positive, and fourth quadrant cos and sec positive. Clear? The main point in the case of 19 to 70, the t ratio changed. Sin into cos, cos into sin, tan into cot, cot into tan, sec into cos sec, and cos sec into sec. But when the case is 180 and 360, then t ratio not changed. Not changed. Sin at sin, cos and cos, tan and tan. Clear? Now we solve some questions. Basic question. You want to find cos 120. So there are two methods. You can break 180 minus 60, or you can write cos 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 or 60. 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. You can break. You can break the near these 90, 270, 180 and 360. Yes, 180 minus theta. So firstly check the t ratio changed or not. Firstly check. It is the case of 180. It is the case of 180. It means t ratio not changed. Cos है तो cos ही आएगा, same रहेगा as it is. Cos 60. Now decide sin. You know that 120 angle lies in which quadrant? 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin and cosec positive, other t ratio negative. Therefore sin minus. Okay? Because 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sin and cosec positive. Therefore cos is negative. You put here sin negative. Now can you tell me the value of cos 60? Cos 60 1 by 2. The second method. Second way is you can also break 90 plus 30. So 90, it is the case of 90. It is the case of 90 plus theta. When the case is 90 plus theta, then the t ratio will change. 90 plus theta. So cos change into sin. We can write here sin 30 degree. Now decide sin negative positive. So 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. And 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. It means in second quadrant sin and cosec is positive. So here cos. तो cos is negative. Clear? ये वाला जो साइन है ये नहीं देखना है तुम्हें, ये cos देखना है, ये वाला साइन. Correct? Here cos 120. It means cos is negative in the second quadrant. Cos is negative in the second quadrant. Cos हमें देखना है, ये नहीं देखना sin. So can you tell me the value of sin 30? Sin 30 1 by 2. So in both the cases, cos 120, the value of cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, you can solve sin 300. Now can you tell me sin 300? Sin 300 you can write sin 360 minus 60, or you can say 270 plus 30. You can break sin 300 degree. Sin 300. But it is the case of 360. Case of 360, and you know that if the case is 180 and 360, it means t ratio not changed. तो इट मीन्स साइन एज इट इज रहेगा, साइन 60. नाउ चेक द साइन. You know that 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos and sec positive, but here sin, it means sin is negative, sin is negative, so therefore negative sign, and sin 60 root 3 by 2. Same procedure. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. 270. So it is the case of 270. If the case is 90 and 270, then t ratio change. So it means sin will change in cos. Sin किस में change हो जाएगा? Sin cos में change होगा. तो sin की जगह आ जाएगा cos 30. Now check the sign. In fourth quadrant, sign is negative. Fourth quadrant sign is negative. So if you write here minus sign, the value of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. That is answer. Clear? Similarly, you can find out tan 210 degree. Tan 210 degree. You can break tan 180 plus 30. Tan 180 plus 30. So it is the case of 180. It means t ratio not changed. T ratio not changed. Then tan as it is, tan 30, and you know that 180 plus 30, 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan is positive. Tan ये देखना ये वाला ये, तो tan is positive. It means here positive sign, positive, no need to write positive sign. Tan 30, value of tan 30 1 by root 3, or you can break tan 210, that is tan 270 minus 60. 270 minus 60. It is the case of 270. Therefore, t ratio will change. T ratio will change, and the tan change into cot. Tan cot में change हो जाएगा. In place of tan, you can write cot 60, and the value of cot 60, that is 1 by root 3. This is the answer. Similarly, you can find other, for example, sec 150. How can you solve? How can you solve sec 150 degree? So there are two ways you can break sec 180 minus 30, or you can write sec 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60. Then it is a case of 180. It is a case of 180. Therefore t ratio not change. Sec as it is रहेगा, sec 30. Now decide sign. It is positive or negative. You know that 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sec is negative, because in this quadrant sin and cosec positive. Other four t ratios negative. Therefore sec is negative here. And what is the value of sec 30? Sec 30. Can you tell me? Sec 30 2 by root 3. Similarly, you can also write 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta, it is the case of 90. The t ratio will change. Sec change in cosec, and cosec change in sec. In place of sec you can write cosec 60. And and this lies in second quadrant, and second quadrant sec is negative, so you write here minus. And what is the value of cosecant 60? Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. This is the answer. Clear? One more example. Now tell me cot 240. How can you break 240? Cos 240 if you want to find. You can write cot 180 plus 60. There are two ways, 180 plus 60. Or you can say cot 270 minus 30. Clear? Other 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. It means lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. Cot is positive. And this is the case of 180. It means T ratio not change. Then cot to cot ही रहेगा, cot 60. And the value of cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Clear? Now, cot 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cot is positive, and it is the case of 270. If it is the case of 270, then T ratio will be changed, and you know that cot change in 10. So in place of cot you can write 10, 30, and the value of 1030. Value of 1031 by root 3. Right? So similarly, you can solve this type of questions. Now, tell me sec 90 plus theta. Sec 90 plus theta. It is the case of 90. It is the case of 90, then T ratio will change. Sec change in cosec. So you can write here cosec. But you know that 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sec is negative. So minus sign here. Similarly, tell me tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta. It is the case of 180. It means T ratio not change. Tan at tiny रहेगा as it is. Now decide sign. It is positive or negative. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant tan is negative because in this quadrant sine and cosec positive. Now tell me sec 270 minus theta. These are the formulas. You can understand with the help of this. Yes, it is the case of 270. It is the case of 270. It means T ratio change. It means sec change in cosec. Cosec theta. That is that 270 minus theta lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant sec is negative. Sec is negative here. Minus. Similarly, now can you tell me cos 360 plus theta? Cos 360 plus theta. In case of 360, T ratio not changed. Cos then cos as it is. Now check the sign. It is positive or negative. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. And in first quadrant all T ratios positive. It means it is positive. No need to write here positive. Clear? Now you can understand. Now tell me cosec 270 minus theta. Cosec 270 minus theta. It is the case of 270. therefore T ratio change, and the cos sec change in sec, and 270 minus theta lies in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos sec, check, cos sec is negative here because in third quadrant only 2 is positive, tan and cot is positive, therefore it is minus. Clear? Now इसको लर्न करने के लिए एक इजी मेथड है, ऐड शुगर टू कॉफी. ऐड शुगर टू कॉफी. Add sugar to coffee. Add sugar to coffee. It means A. A mean all positive. Sugar start from S. Sugar start from S. It means sine and cosec. The cosec is the opposite of sine. Positive, other negative, second quadrant. And 2 start from T, it is tan and cot, positive, third quadrant. And coffee start from C, that is cos theta and sec theta, positive, other T ratios negative, in fourth quadrant. Clear? So you can learn this with the help of this. Add sugar to coffee. Add start from A all positive, all T ratios positive. Sugar start from S, sine and cosec positive. T start from 2 T, so tan and cot positive, other negative, and cos and sec positive. Clear? Thank you. Your homework is revise all these concepts and understand all these and learn these formulas. Correct? Thank you.